Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Simple English sentences you can use in everyday communication. Hi, hello, hey there, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, good evening, how are you, how are you, how are you, what's up, what's up, what's up, nice to meet you, nice to meet you, nice to meet you, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm fine, thank you, I'm fine, thank you, I'm fine, thank you, I am okay, I am okay, I'm okay, not too bad, not too bad, not too bad, I'm great, I am great, I am great, I'm fantastic, I am fantastic, I am fantastic, I am wonderful, I am wonderful, I am wonderful, I am so so, I am so so, I am so so, I am not doing well, I am not doing well, I am not doing well. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching guys.